If you are a moto vlogger and you want to capture the best audio quality from your GoPro, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Abhishek and you're watching my channel GhumakadKetchup. So today in my video I'm going to use my GoPro Hero 7 and I'll be telling you the accessories that you need to have. There are 3 accessories that are very important to have, and the first one is a new GoPro Hero case. You can get this case on Flipkart or Amazon at a price range between 1000 to 1500 rupees. The second and most important part is a GoPro Hero adapter. So this adapter is quite expensive actually. The MRP as mentioned on this is 4500, but I got it for around 3500 rupees. Wow. So third important part is a microphone. A good one but a cheap one also. So let's get started with the assembling. First of all, we'll take the GoPro and we'll try to open the case over here. We can just plug it out like this, and you need to very carefully pull it up, because that's how it opens. You just get here and yeah, there it is out. You can see there is a part over here that joins into this one. You can also put it back here when you are done. You just have to put it here, place it here, and you just push, so it is fixed just like that. Then we'll take the case. You see a hole over here, so we'll be using this one. Actually I have already done the setup just to show you. I have just removing this. So I have already placed this tape to secure the mic adapter inside this one. So here you see this. You just have to pull it inside like this. This is a bit tricky part. You need to be a bit careful. It doesn't go easily. Yeah, and I'm just wrapping it up for just extra security. Yeah. So now what you can do, you can just slide it open. Now you can put your GoPro inside. Means you can see I have also put a tape over here just to provide some extra security. You can just now slide it up like this, and you will have to plug this inside this one. Here it is plugged in. Now what you can do, and you can use this microphone and you can use it over here. So you can also use this another port over here for charging while using this extra additional GoPro adapter. So now your setup is ready. Let's show you some field test of audio quality of this GoPro when I was on a ride last week. सारा झरना में ऐसी बोर्ड लगाया रहता है नहीं जाने के लिए। शायद में भी रोड में जाम लगा देता है, लेकिन अचानक से कैसे ट्रैफिक चेंज हुआ ना, वहाँ तक कैसा था और यहाँ पे अचानक से कैसा हुआ। ऐसे रखो दोनों एंगल्स में। हाँ मतलब थोड़ा नीचे करो कैमरा को। हाँ तो अरे तो तुम आगे चल गए। हाँ मतलब नहीं पीछे नहीं, मतलब तुम ऐसे आगे नहीं कर सकते, इतना आगे नहीं आएगा। हाँ तो कैमरा जो है ना अपने तरफ थोड़ा सा नीचे होना चाहिए एक बार। हाँ। So did you try this setup with your GoPro? Let me know in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.